Hey guys, we're live at 521. Toy Appreciation Weekend is in full effect now, battling for Ian's Buck Rogers Wilma figure. I got 60 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Paste them in there. We got all 60, which is neat. We go to the next step, which is rolling these bones. We got to get at least a 5. We got a 3. So we're rolling again. There's a 6er. We're good to go. Good luck, folks. Here it comes. Matthew takes round 1 and 2 and 3. Sheldon takes round 4. Scott in the top spot for our next to last round, round 5, bringing us to the last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winner is Jane Tusnick at number 2. Congratulations. Here's the verification. XEHIFL. There it is. As I wrap things up at 522. There you go, folks. Again, here's our winner. Congratulations. See you next time. Thanks.